Hello, my name is Anne Eglube, Vine Cakes for Tartar. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make vanilla chiffon cake. Okay, it's super fluffy, and all you need is your normal plain flour. You need eggs. Make sure your eggs are large. So I have here 7 egg yolk. I'll put the recipe in our description box. Okay, so I'll just introduce the ingredients before me to you. All right, so you need eggs, large eggs, water, cream of tartar, salt, baking powder, vanilla flavor, oil, and sugar. Okay, these are basically all you need for this project. Now this is what you do. All your dry ingredients should be in one place. So I'm putting dry ingredients together into our flour. So I'm adding my baking powder. I've already sieved the flour. Okay, I'll add my baking powder, salt, and then I'll sieve again. Okay, okay, I'll set this aside. Then I'll put all my wet ingredients in this bowl, and that will be my oil, water, and flavor. And egg yolk. My sugar will go into my sieved flour. So I'm going to start by mixing my dry ingredients together. And then I'll mix my wet ingredients together. My egg yolk, oil, water, and flavor. Whisk for 5 minutes. And then I'll make a well in the middle of my flour, and then I pour all of this into it. I'll blend it together. Until it is nicely incorporated. Okay, and this is what it looks like. The next thing to do, which will be the last thing to add up, is our egg whites. Okay, make sure your mixing bowl is clean. You can use vinegar to clean it. Okay, to get rid of any grease. You don't want to have grease there, any fat or oily stuff in it. So I'm just going to pour this. And then I'll add my cream of tartar. And I'll allow it to whisk until it is fluffy. Done mixing our egg white, and as you can see, it's so stiff, it's not coming out of the bowl. Can you see that? Very stiff. So I'm going to gradually fold it into our batter. Gently fold it in. Scrape it down from the side. Okay. So we're going to pour this into our baking pan. Please note that you are not supposed to grease your pan. Do not grease your pan. Just wash it, dry it, and then you pour your butter into it. Now, if you don't have this kind of pan, you can use the regular normal pan. All right? When you pour it into your pan, get a skewer stick, tap it, get a skewer stick to deflect the air bubbles as much as you can, okay? By going over it this way. As you can see, there's a lot of air bubbles on it, so I'll have to deflect as much as I can. Ready to go into the oven. This is baked for say 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, our cake is out from the oven. As you can see, it's super fluffy. As soon as you bring it out of the oven, okay, you turn it over and you leave it for 5 minutes to cool a bit, okay? Then when that is done, after 5 minutes, you turn it back. So we're going to leave this here for 5 minutes, all right? Now you flip it over. Use your palette knife to go around it, okay? And then you turn it over again. You can see it's out. Can you see it? It's out. You can see how fluffy it looks. Then we turn it over again with your palette knife. Remember, we do not grease our pan. Then with your knife, you go around and then it just comes off. You can see how beautiful it looks. Very fluffy. Whoa! Extremely fluffy. You can see. Okay, I hope you all try this. Don't be afraid. It's very easy to make. Just follow our recipe, follow the procedure, and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to put on your notification bell, okay? So that you get updates on all our videos as soon as we upload. See you soon.